season of giving, and a moment to cherish our loved ones. Few more weeks before we finally reach the holidays, this is a time to celebrate family, friends, and the many wonderful things in our lives. It is also a time to honor our faith, or remember those who are important to us. But what is the deep meaning of Christmas? It is a time of God showing His great love for us. It can be time for healing and renewed strength. Sure, enjoy the season, but remember to rejoice as well. After all, the true meaning of Christmas is the celebration of God's ultimate gift, the birth of Jesus, the Christ child. What is the meaning of Christmas, or the color of Christmas? So red is the color of Christmas. It symbolizes the blood of Jesus Christ, the person whose birth the holiday celebrates. And why we decorate Christmas lights during Christmas? Because it symbolizes Christ being the light of the world. They can also remind us to be the light to others and to help others. Small things matter.
Kain na kayo?
Little things matter. Appreciating the little things in life means focusing on what brings us joy and happiness instead of those that are negative. So be grateful and be thankful. Sa lahat ng mga blessings na nare-receive natin from our employer, sana po grateful ang bawat isa sa atin. Maliit man o malaki. Next year, another blessings po tayo. Big blessings. Anyway, to my admin family and other members, thank you for your cooperation, especially during the preparation of this party. To all our employees and guests, thanks for your support and participation. Let us all enjoy our activities today. Again, enjoy for the rest of the day. Have a blessed and Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Thank you so much.